let's get started with this gorgeous festive makeup look. So I'm using my moisturizer from Dot & Key. You guys know this is my favorite moisturizer, super hydrating and absolutely fabulous. Now I'm just going to use this TAC lip butter. This has rose in it and it smells exactly like a rose. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to prime my face using the Lakme Absolute Primer, using that on the areas that I have a lot of open pores and blending that into my skin. Next up, I'm going to color correct, so for which I'm using the PAC Cosmetics Orange Corrector. All the products will be in the description below, so you guys can have a check. Now I like blending this with the help of my finger, so that's what I'm doing here. Now if you guys are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be creating such wonderful videos. And yeah, next up I'm going to take the Miss Claire foundation and the Miss Claire liquid highlighter, and then I'm just blending this together. I wanted a nice fresh dewy looking skin today, so I'm just dotting this all over my face, and then I'm just going to pick up my kabuki brush and blend this really well. Now if you guys have makeup products, then what are you guys waiting for? Please start creating this look with me, and if you do create this look, then do not forget to tag me. Next up, I'm using the concealer from Maybelline. I'm just applying this all over my eyelids and under my eyes and the mouth area, and I'm gonna blend this out really well. This is a skin tone concealer for me. Next, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, picking up that brown and a little bit of black. I'm gonna blend this together and fill in my eyebrows. Now to fill in the eyebrows, I'm just first outlining my eyebrows, concentrating on the center to end of my eyebrow. Inner corner is going to be very subtle and natural. Once I'm done with that, I'm picking up a spoolie and then blending everything in place. Next up, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Now I know my eyeshadow palette is broken because I have a niece and she keeps playing with it, so I'm so sorry you guys, but I'm gonna create a lot more looks with the same eyeshadow palette. So yeah, next up I'm going to take the Maybelline translucent powder in the shade 30. This is not my favorite powder. It kind of makes my skin patchy. I don't know why, but since I have brought it, I am going to use it and finish the product. Picking up that beautiful peachy shade, I'm using this as a transition color now. Any light shade can be your transition color. So yeah, also the look that I'm creating today is such a gorgeous look that you can carry this with any sort of outfit. Let's do the same thing on the other side as well. I'm just concentrating on the crease line, applying this beautiful peachy sort of color and blending this really well. Once I'm done with that, now I'm going to focus on my outer corner, for which I'm picking up a gorgeous brown eyeshadow from the same palette, but I'll be using a smaller brush this time, so you can use a pencil brush also instead. I've picked a mid-tone brown color. You can pick this color from any palette you have, and just focusing on the outer V of my eye. I'll be doing the same thing on this side also. And then it's time for shine. Now if you guys do not like using shine, you can stop right here, apply a liner, a pair of lipstick, and you're done. And just going to apply that gorgeous shine. I'm applying a very less amount of shine because this is a festive makeup look. So yeah, I'm patting the shine with a very low amount of pressure and then giving it a shape like so. Doing the same thing on the other side of my eye as well. And now it's time for us to blend in the outer corner and the shimmer together, for which I'm using the same small brush again, blending this together. Once I'm done with this, now I'm just going to take a kajal. For kajal, I've used a new brand today, which is from Amway. This kajal is very creamy, buttery and nice, and it was giving me that nice jet black effect. For eyeliner, I wanted something very basic and quick, so I didn't go with any sort of wing liner, but I'm just drawing a eyeliner with the help of my kajal only. applying it very close to my lash line. Okay, let's do the same thing on the other side. Once I'm done with this, let's pick up an angle brush. So what I'm doing with the angle brush is I'm just going to give the kajal a little wing sort of effect. So you guys will see here what exactly I'm doing is what you have to do. Alright, just like that. Now once I'm done with this, now I'm going to pick up a black eyeshadow and then I'm going to set my kajal. Kajal is a creamy product, and when you set it, it does not move, you guys. It just stays there. You can do the same technique if you want to make your kajal waterproof as well. Alright, we are done with this now. Next, I'm just picking up a small brush and I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone and my inner corner of the eye. Alright, let's apply a little bit of kajal in my waterline also. For kajal, I've gone with a very light hand because I didn't want my kajal to be thick and intense, but if you want the same, you can do it. Now I'm picking up the same pencil brush and just smudging with a brown eyeshadow so that my eye makeup looks balanced. It's very important to smudge your lower lash line so that your eye makeup looks very nice and pretty. Highlighting my eyebrow bone and the inner corner of my eye as well. This gives your eye makeup a very different sort of effect. Now once I'm done with this, I'm not planning to wear any sort of false lashes, so I'm gonna create extra volume in my natural lashes only, for which I'm curling up my lashes. I've kept the lash curler for 30 seconds on my lashes each side, and then I'm going to use my Huda Beauty sample size mascara. This mascara is amazing, you guys. If you're planning to buy a full one, then it's worth your money. So yeah, next up I'm using the Swiss Beauty Sculpt Contour and Highlight Palette. I'm just going to contour the cheekbone area, also my forehead because I have a very broad forehead, and then my nose area, for which I'm gonna switch up and use a smaller brush. I'm just contouring the sides of my nose. This palette is very affordable. I have used this palette so many times in my video, so yeah, it's a very stunning palette, affordable as well. Alright, once I'm done with that, let's contour your jawline as well because we don't want that double chin area, right? Next, I'm picking up the Sugar Cosmetics Vivid Victory palette to add a little bit of blush. Okay, once I'm done with the blush, now I'll just go in with the powder. Now for powder, like I told you guys, I just want to finish up with my Maybelline translucent powder. So I'll be using the same powder under my eyes, around my mouth area, below my contour. Alright, so once I'm done with this, now I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlighter, for which I went in with the same Swiss Beauty palette, and I've just added 2 to 3 layers of highlighter, but make sure you blend it really well. Finally, I'm using a lipstick, for which I'm using the Swiss Beauty liner in the shade Bright Red. I'm gonna outline my lip with this and apply the same lip liner on the complete lips. Now, if you wanna know about this lip liner, yes, it is amazing. It is good quality and pretty affordable as well. I'm gonna apply this like a lipstick also, and then I'm gonna top it up with a gorgeous maroon lipstick from the brand Shampoo. I just enjoy this brand so much. The formula of the lipstick is very nice. It glides on very well on your lip, but it does not stay for a very long time. That's the only drawback. But the lipstick is very nice. That completes my look. So if you guys did watch till the end, then do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye bye.